Stanley, just 14 years old.
13.
Under strict instructions from Dad not to sink that ski because Dad's out next.
So
13? No, 13's unlucky, that's why we're calling him 14. Okay, Mitch, let's see what we've got. He spins the ski straight round into a 180 bulldog spin. Round it goes again. 360 bulldog. Round again, 180. Spins the ski round to 180. Transitions onto the front of the ski. One-handed Aussie barefoot, spins the ski round now into a fountain, one-handed fountain, swings himself back round nipply into the tray. So much easier to do when you're nice and small like that. He spins the ski round 180, bounces that ski, bounces himself out of a tail stand position onto the hood of the ski. Lovely transitions. He spins the ski round to 180 hood spin. Round he goes again, 360 one-handed hood spin. Spins the ski round as he goes for a Superman, no-handed Superman. He's aiming towards the decking for a fraction of a second. He can't keep up with it. Spins the ski round for a no-handed 360 hood spin. This is fast and furious stuff. When I was full of, I mean to talk about he bounces the ski through a 180 nose stab into a tail stand. Hold the ski there, good control of the ski. Pushes that bars round as he goes for a rodeo. No-handed rodeo, 2 full rotations and a ride out. Well played, Mitch. Someone's been practicing. 15 seconds and he bounces the ski for a 180 nose tap into a tail stand. Hops forward onto the hood of the ski again. Just lost his lanyard there as he turns into a kamikaze dive over the front. And that's time for Mitch.